Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is iPhone 11 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can hard reset or factory reset your phone iPhone 11. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click on General. Here click on reset and click here erase all content and give your pattern, that is passcode. Click here and click on erase iPhone. Yes, phone has been erased and software will be installing newly. Just follow the on-screen instructions and set up your phone. Select your country or region. Join to any Wi-Fi. Give the password and click on join. Click on continue. You can also set face ID here, otherwise skip it. And here you can set your passcode. And type the same passcode to verify. And click on this option, don't transfer. And here itself you can register Apple ID, otherwise you can sign into your existing ID. And click on continue here. Yes, setup has been completed and your phone is ready to use. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.